so you think your router is secure. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can physically extract the firmware using a CH341A USB programmer. And then we're going to analyze that firmware with EMBA. So sit back and relax.
All right, here we have our CH341A programmer, flash programmer that we're going to use. I have it all already set up here, and the thing to point out is with this FIOS 25 SPI, that's what we're going to be using right here, as it is on the flipped over piece. And we're going to use that when we connect it. I already have everything oriented up, and the most important thing is to recognize that this red strip here, this red wire, is corresponding to pin 1. So you're going to want to make sure that when you're hooking this, you're going to take it, and we have right here is our flash chip that we're going to be connecting to. On here, we're going to see a little dot on this corner here. It might be difficult to see, but that corresponds to pin 1. We simply take this, and what we're going to do is connect it. Might have to do it a couple times, but connect it directly to this. Connect this into a USB, and I'm going to drop it into Ubuntu, and in a moment I will show you how we can extract the flash memory from here onto our system. Right, so I already hooked up into my USB port the programmer that we just took a look at, and we connected to the Flashrom. And as you can see here, we have a command that I'm going to be using here, which is sudo flashrom tech programmer ch341a _spi-r test.bin. So Flashrom is going to be the program itself that initiates the firmware flashing utility, and the tech programmer is telling it which programmer to use. And we're going to be reading basically the entire contents of the firmware chip from the Nighthawk router into test.bin. Alright, we have successfully extracted the firmware and brought it in as test.bin. Now that we have the firmware file, how do we actually analyze it for vulnerabilities or interesting information? Today, we're going to be using the powerful tool EMBA, which stands for Embedded Device Manufacturing Process-Based Analyzer. Put simply, an open source security analyzer for firmware. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for firmware security testing. So you have the command that we have right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually run it with a quick scan, because it does take up about 2 hours. And so once we hit this command, it'll run through that test.bin, and it'll scan it and generate HTML files for our logs. And we're going to actually then be able to dig in, see what vulnerabilities there are. All right, we have done time traveling, jumped into the future. About 2 hours later, we have finally received our reports based on our quick scan. So let's take a look at what we have that we can take a look at. As you can see, we have quite a bit of stuff. And so, the beautiful thing about this, we can take a look at Firefox. Take a look at Firefox index.html. What this is going to do is it's going to bring up the whole log that we are able to take a look at. And as you can see, it does entropy analysis. It talks about the firmware that was tested, goes through and gives you an overview of everything that really, we have been able to take a look at. Analysis preparation. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of stuff that we can take a look into, dig down, and try and find some vulnerabilities. Not only does this allow for static analysis, but it can also do dynamic analysis. Take a look at all of the web-related files that are available in our firmware. You can take a look at the search for password files. So in our next video, we're going to do even a deeper dive and try and find some vulnerabilities in this Nighthawk router's firmware. So make sure to hit like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.